Gwekuirwo kwa wendia wa nyama cia bunda ona thengia wa thirikari gwikira mukana wa wendia wa nyama ici bururi-ini mwaka wa 2020 ni utumurite mawoni ngurani kuma kuri muingi undu uria ucungireirie thirikari kwanirira mawatho na mitaratara sekta-ini ya mahiu. Mutaratara uyu wa kugathika mawatho sekta-ini ya mahiu uhaririirio ni Ministry ya ugitiri wa thiini inyitanire na Ministry ya ugima wa mwiri, Ministry ya mahiu hamwe na thirikari ya county.
Of consumption of donkey meat has raised concern about the origin of these animals, despite the government having banned the slaughter of donkeys in 2020 and rendering the designated abattoirs non-operational. Now, as key stakeholders in this sector, you are aware about the pattern of livestock theft, and it's unfortunate that such incidents have not only lost livestock, but has also led to loss of lives and livelihoods.
Kiari ari Kenya School of Government mwandiki mukaru wa ugitiri wa thiini Raymond Omoro augite ati kumana na wongerereku wa uici wa mahiu wendia wa indo iria ciyumanaga na mahiu itathurimitwo ni undu uria ucungireirie kurugurio kwa mutaratara wa 100 days rapid response.
Security of our food supply is therefore critical so that we are able to protect public health and the overall food economy. Now, to counter these threats, securing the entire food chain from production to consumption becomes crucial for our national security, and the onus is on us who are here today to ensure that we secure this space. Earlier this year, a directive was issued to enforce existing rules and regulations in the livestock sector, and today we will be beginning that RRI.
Omoro ni kiteritana kuri makomishona a county ni gukorwo makirutithania wira na maafitha borithi, ndagitari cia mahiu, maafitha a DCI, maafitha a county a ugima wa mwiri niguo gukorwo makigacirithia sekta ya mahiu bururi-ini.
Commissioners are expected to establish the multi-agency teams that are composed of all the players from the National Police Service, including the DCI, the NIS, the National Government Administration Officers, the County Public Health Officers, our colleagues within the veterinary services, and to also be able to co-opt other relevant regulatory.
Fotera Muthingi TV, Gito wa Mugo.